Hello student, how are you? Fine. Today we start our chapter number 15 from market to home. The heading is very interesting. You can understand market to home means what? We have to go to the market and then come from the home, right? So this is the lesson about the vegetable seller. Vaisali's family is there and their family, her father is the vegetable seller. So what is the daily activity of the Vaisali's father and their family, that can be explained, mentioned in the lesson. Okay, then here is the, my name is Vaisali, that means the Vaisali is a little girl. My father is a vegetable seller. उसके पापा जो है वो वेजिटेबल सेलर है. My mother, by Chotu and I help father from his with his work, and all the family members of the Vaisali's help to help father. Right? Can you guess what time we begin our work? You know, vegetable seller, we see the vegetable seller but what time they have to start their work? It is very early. When all the people are fast asleep, that time they should wake up and do the work. At 3 o'clock in the morning, I said, all the people is sleeping, fast asleep, that time they wake up and do the work. When the most people fast asleep, we start our work, taking out previous day's vegetable from the guinea bag. What they do? They do the previous day left vegetable, take out from the guinea bag, right? And basket and arrange them. And then after taking out from the guinea bag, they have to arrange in the basket. On the other hand, preparation of the bringing fresh vegetable from the mandi, and then some people are arranging the vegetables, previous day vegetable in the basket, and some are start the work to take another vegetable, fresh vegetable from the mandi, right? It is the big market of the vegetable, and sometimes Chotu helps us. Chotu is the little brother of the Vaisali. He also helped all the family members. As soon as we had our tea, after finishing the work, we all are the Vaisali's family, and Vaisali help the arranging previous day vegetables, and then after they have to drink the tea. We heard the horn of the tempo, and as soon as when he has finished the tea, the horn of the tempo heard. Why the tempo come? Because father and his uncle and the bhaiya all are going to the purchase the vegetable in the big mandi, right? Bhaiya, uncle and some other our street leave for the mandi. All the work is over, then they go to the mandi to purchase the fresh vegetables, right? Now how do all the day are they preparing the vegetables, and how they maintain the vegetables? If the previous day vegetables is left, then what happened? What that we see the later. Okay, mother Chotu and I put the previous day vegetable in the guinea bags and sprinkle some water on them. All the family members who are raised in the home, they have to take out the vegetable from the guinea bag, and they have to arrange in the basket and sprinkle the water. Why they sprinkle the water? Because the vegetable very quickly release the water. जो वेजिटेबल होता है वो जल्दी से पानी रिलीज कर देता है. As soon as when the sun ray came, they release the water earlier. So they all are sprinkle the water on the vegetables, so the vegetable don't dry. Okay, now by 6:30 father is back from the mandi, and then if the 6:30 is there, then the father, uncle and bhaiya come to the mandi with the basket and sack full of the vegetable. He purchased all the vegetables from the mandi, and with the basket they come to the home. At that time आवर हाउस लुक लाइक अ वेजिटेबल मार्केट। और ऐसे टाइम पे जब पापा सारी वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स लेके आते हैं तो हमारा घर मतलब वैशाली का घर जो है वो पूरा वेजिटेबल मार्केट बन जाता है। वाई? when the papas purchase all the vegetables they are separating all the vegetables, right? जैसे कि कैरोट है, पोटैटो है, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स है, कोई भाजी की सब्जी है, पालक है, मेथी है, राइट? तो वो सारी वो अरेंज करना होता है, तो पूरे घर के अंदर वो लोग उसको अरेंज करते हैं। There are brinjal, potato, tomato, okra. What is the meaning of the okra? Okra means the bindi, right? Pumpkin, grouts, chilies, and many other vegetables around them. All are the separating in the room also, in the house. So the Vaisali's house look like a vegetable market. Everybody helps in sorting the vegetables, and all are do the work and engage in the work of the separating vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and not ready to sell are kept aside. When they see vegetable is ripened or some fresh vegetable they are not able to sold in the market, so they kept in a side because next day they have to sell. We have to sort out vegetables fast and so as the reach market and earlier possible. All the work is doing very quickly because the Vaisali's father has to reach in time to the vegetable market and go to the sell the vegetables. वो बिल्कुल जल्दी ये काम खत्म करते हैं सारे घर के मेंबर्स। क्यों? क्योंकि वैशाली के पापा को जो उनका थैला है, थैला मतलब लोरी होता है ना, उसके अंदर सारी वेजिटेबल्स अरेंज करके टाइम से निकलना पड़ता है। अगर वो टाइम से नहीं निकलते तो क्या होता है हम देखते हैं, अगर वो टाइम से नहीं निकलते, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा लेट हो गया तो अदर बायर हु आर द परमानेंट बायर ऑफ द vegetable from the Vaisali's father, they have to purchase the vegetable from another person. So Vaisali's father every time ready to get in a time to go in the time to sell the vegetable, right? Now by 7 o'clock, after arranging all the vegetables on the handcraft, what is the meaning of the handcraft? That means the lorry, right? Thela, in Hindi it is called the thela. एंड हैंडक्राफ्ट मतलब हैंड से चलाने वाला जो लॉरी होता है उसके अंदर सारा वेजिटेबल्स वैशाली के पापा अरेंज कर लेते हैं। एंड 7 o'clock शार्प दे कम टू द दे गो टू द सेल द वेजिटेबल्स। He said that if he is late, then his regular buyer may buy their vegetables from the someone else. If Vaisali's papas every time told, okay, I have to go in the time because if he do not go to the time, then regular customers of the Vaisali's father they have to purchase the vegetable from someone else, right? So as soon as father leave, I quickly get up ready. I have to reach school at 7:30 a.m. and the Vaisali's has to ready to go to the school. Vaisali school is in the morning, so she has to ready for the go to the school. Chotu's attend school in the morning. Chotu also go to the school in the morning. He goes market at 10 a.m. Then after when the Chotu is leave from the school, then he go to the father in the market at the 10 o'clock with food and father and bhaiya. He goes to the 10 o'clock for the selling the vegetable and Chotu also go with the father and the bhaiya. He stay with them at the vegetable cart and the Chotu sit on the vegetable cart until it is time for him going to school. Again when the break is given to the Chotu, then Chotu reach to the papas and brother. But when the school time is continue, ब्रेक का समय खत्म हो जाता है, फिर छोटू फिर से स्कूल में चला जाता है। वो डायरेक्टली पापा और भैया के साथ से ही वहाँ मंडी में से ही वापस स्कूल में चला जाता है। Sometimes he goes directly from the school to help his father. और छोटू क्या करता है, कभी कभी वो पापा को, भैया को हेल्प करने के लिए स्कूल से डायरेक्ट जहाँ पापा रेगुलर जहाँ पे बेचते हैं वेजिटेबल्स, वहाँ पे चला जाता है. Father tries to sell previous day vegetable first. What the Vaisali's father do? Vaisali's father try to sell the vegetables of the previous day, because the previous day vegetable, of course, up to night it is rot, or it may be rotten. So he has to try to sell the earlier previous day vegetable to sell first, right? As the previous day vegetable sold, Bhaiya takes out fresh vegetables from the sack and put them in the cart. And if previous vegetables is sold, everything is sold, then after Bhaiya take out the fresh vegetables from the bag and sack. Also he kept sprinkle water on the vegetable, and then after when they take out the fresh vegetable, then they sprinkle the water. Why they sprinkle the water? Because the vegetable is dry very quickly, right? So that they do not dry up, and especially in summer. In summer we have to take the care of the vegetable very attentive. Why? Because in summer season the vegetables spoil or rot very quickly. So some interval we have to sprinkle the vegetables. Father and Bhaiya return at 10 o'clock at night, and father and Bhaiya 10 o'clock night they have to return from the vegetable market. By then Chotu and I sleep. Then after Chotu and Vaisali both are sleep. Everyone else sleep around 11 o'clock or 11:30, and all the family members has to sleep at the 11 or 11:30, and next day again the routine is continuous, right? So this is the whole lesson of the how to sell the vegetable, and how to vegetable seller their daily activity do. It is very hard and it is very tough job to do the vegetable seller, right? Because up to 3 o'clock they have to wake up, and late night 10 or 11:30 they have to sleep. Whole the day they are working, and they are related to the vegetables only, right? And it is very time consuming, very time consuming, and very all family members support. Without support they cannot sell the vegetable. हम तो देखते हैं कि लॉरी लेके आते हैं और बेच के जाते हैं, और इतने में भी हम 2-3 रुपये कम कराने की कोशिश करते हैं ना. मम्मी जाती है मार्केट में तो नहीं भैया इतने का दे दो, इतने का दे दो. लेकिन उनका अगर ये लेसन आपने सुना और समझा, उसके बाद आपको पता चलेगा कि ये लेसन के अंदर जो बताया है उनका डेली एक्टिविटी, वो बहुत ही टायरसम एंड बहुत ही बिजी शेड्यूल, और सुबह से उनका शेड्यूल शुरू हो जाता है. Now I hope you are understand children how the vegetable seller do their daily activity, right? Here is the fill in the blanks. Vaisali's father and uncle bring the vegetable in a blanks from the market. Vaisali and उसके father कहाँ से, किसमें से vegetables लाते हैं? तो we see after the tea is over, they listen the whole of the tempo, right? किसमें लाते हैं? टेम्पो. तो ये लोग टेम्पो का हॉर्न सुनते हैं, और वहां से टेम्पो में से अंकल, भैया एंड पापा तीनों जाते हैं. छोटू's father brings fresh vegetables from the fresh vegetable where they have to purchase the fresh vegetable. It is from the market, right? Market से खरीदते हैं. Vaisali's father and brother return home at about which time they have to return? It is the 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock they have to at night, and after selling vegetable they have to come back after the 10 o'clock while selling all the vegetables. We eat the thick juice of blanks with puris during the summer season. Now it is very मुँह में पानी आ गया ना, समर लेते हो? किसका थिक जूस लेते हो पूरी के साथ? इट इज द मैंगोज, मैंगो आती है ना? Mangoes, thick juice of the mangoes we have to take with the puri. The vegetables plants that grows under the ground can be mixed with the almost all other vegetables by cooking the food them. ऐसा एक वेजिटेबल है वो ऑलमोस्ट सारे वेजिटेबल्स के अंदर मिक्स हो जाता है. यू नो चिल्ड्रन विच वेजिटेबल इज देयर विच ऑलवेज मिक्सेस विथ ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स, है ना? अगर घर में भिंडी कम पड़ जाती है या तो टिंडा कम पड़ जाता है या तो दूसरी कोई जो वेजिटेबल है वो कम पड़ जाता है, तो मम्मी उसके अंदर क्या ऐड करती है? जो ऐसी वेजिटेबल है जो ऐड करती है वो ऑलमोस्ट सबके अंदर मिक्स हो जाती है. इट इज द विच वेजिटेबल? इट इज द पोटैटो, है ना? पोटैटो जो होता है वो सब वेजिटेबल्स के अंदर ऑलमोस्ट मिक्स हो जाता है. We must wait for the plant season to eat Indian blueberry. We must always eat and wait for the which season for the eat the blueberry. Blueberry means the jamun. It is the monsoon season. Monsoon season के अंदर हम black Indian black blueberry खाते हैं. That means the jamun, right? Okay, now here match. Chotu Vaishali's brother, Chotu's uncle, Vaishali's elder brother. These are the option here. Sells vegetable with father, brings vegetable from the market in tempo, takes vegetables from sack, goes to school and studies. Now Chotu is go to school and studies, right? Vaishali's mother takes vegetables from the sack. Now Chotu's uncle brings vegetables from the market in tempo, right? Vaishali's elder brother sells vegetables with the father, right? These are the match of the following. So children, this is the lesson about the how the vegetable sellers sell the vegetables and which time they have to start their work. It is the very time consuming and it is very much be attentive for the selling the vegetables. Okay children, bye.